Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Uber Driver app on an Android phone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we need to go ahead and find our Play Store. Okay, once you've found it, tap on it, and then we'll just wait for it to load. And once it loads, use the search function at the very bottom, and then tap on the search bar at the very top, and then just basically type down Uber Driver. Okay. Then once that's done, just tap on Find, or you can tap on Uber Driver app right here, and then just tap on Install. So as you can see here, I don't have Uber Driver app. Why is that? So I live in the Philippines and I don't have it, as Uber officially exited the Southeast Asian market and sold its operations to Grab. Okay, so what we have in here is Grab Driver. So just go ahead and find the Uber Driver app, and then just basically tap on Install. Okay, you will have a big install button in here. So just tap on Install. So for example, this one is the app. Again, tap on Install. Just wait for the process to finish. Okay, it will download and install by itself. And once it's installed, just basically open it up. All right. And when you go ahead and open it up, all you got to do is just sign up if you're a new driver, or just log in if you already have an Uber account. That's basically it. That's how simple it is to install Uber Driver app on your Android phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.